All right, guys, so we are here today checking out this portfolio opportunity. I've got these three that I'm gonna talk about first. Check out the cap rates. Let's go take a look. All right, so first we're gonna hop on over to Priday. I like to call it pretty because it has a 10% cap rate. The tenant is paying $850 a month and their lease is gonna be expiring February of 2022. Great opportunity there. Next, for $100,000, you can have Heartland. And this one is a great opportunity. The ARV is really there in the area. The tenant's already paying $975, which gives you a 9% cap rate. So this one's a great opportunity. Their lease is gonna be expiring September of 2022. And last, but certainly not least, we got Goller. And that one we're asking $100,000 as well, and that also has an 8% cap rate. The tenant is paying $900 a month, and their lease is gonna be expiring October of 2022. So the tenants are paying all utilities at all three properties. All you have to do is buy it and just start collecting rents. We have 3D walkthroughs available, so contact us today.